project in lovely downtown Bendigo. Eddie, how are you, mate? Nice to see you. Tell us about this place that you've bought.
I found this property on the market and I flew down from Gold Coast and there was 100 people when I arrived, and the next few days we were in sort of like a little auction and I ended up winning the house.
So we're basically coming in at, I would say, the 2-month mark to come and basically help you finish it off.
Yes. Hopefully in 4 months I want to hit the market.
In 4 months hit the market.
Mm.
And what makes you think you'll get the price that you're asking for, which is the 400 to 450 mark?
Because Bendigo's going ahead and around this area is getting popular. A very nice restaurant next door, bar, and just the location here is good.
And which location are we in Bendigo?
Golden Square.
Golden Square, okay.
I knew it was a very good area, and Golden Square's always been a good area in Bendigo. So,
well, it'll be interesting to see how the other side works. Hopefully there's over 100 people that turn up to the auction when you resell it.
Yeah, I hope so. Adding a second lounge room.
Yep.
And adding a ensuite and a walk-in robe.
Yep.
And a new entertainment area.
Very much under construction, which is what I love. I love seeing places, that need the work rather than finished.
Yes.
And so we'll obviously we're partnering with you, so we'll come back and we'll keep taking some more shots and following the progress. And mate, I hope you get 500 for the joint. To be honest.
So do I. Happy days on an island.
Good as gold. All right, Andy. Thanks, man. We'll talk to you soon.
Yep. Thank you.
Thanks, mate.